Next, I should have my 2 1s. And then I should also have 2 8s. Next, I'm going to look at my 80s digits. I have an 86, 82, 85, 85, 84, and 83. So out of the 80s, it looks like my 82 will come first. And then I think 83. Then 84. I have 2 85s. I have 1 86. I'm just going to double check. Oh, I got lucky. I have one more number, 89, and it just happens to be my last number. If I missed one, I could just erase these and fill in the one that I missed, and sometimes that might happen. Now I have the 90s stem, and I know I saw 2 92s. And then I see 94 should be next. $95, so I'll put my leaf of a 5. Then I see a 6. Then I see we have 3 99s, so 1, 2, 3 leaves that have 99. And then my last stem should have 3 zeros for my 3 100s. Now another way that you could do this stem and leaf plot would be if you did what's called a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Now I would do the same kind of stems for this, so this would be still 2 through 10. But in this case, what I would do is put maybe female data on one side and male data on the other. So if I just look at my female data and I went back and I put in order the numbers that I have, my stem and leaf plot would look like this. There were no 50s in the female data, so I'm going to leave a blank here because there's none to fill in. And then I would fill in all the male data on the right side. In the male data, the smallest number was 50, so the stems 2, 3, and 4 will have no leaves. And that's okay. And that's what it would look like back to back. Literally, when they say back to back, your one side, probably the left side of it, is going to actually go backwards. So you're going to start with the lowest numbers, again, closest to the stem, and then go out as your numbers get larger. And so that's why I did that. Closest numbers to 70 will go first, and then, higher numbers as you go outward. It might be convenient to use a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, especially when you had two different kinds of data, male and female. So if you wanted to compare males versus females, it might be kind of nice to be able to see it all together and compare. So it looks like males overall had a higher number of times that they would eat out during the year. Females had a little less. maybe there was a gap with the females, no gaps for the male. And that might be a nice thing to use to compare.